Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how we can power on and power off Jabra Elite 3. So at first, take a look. I'm currently connected with my smartphone, and to power off them you have to click once on this button right here, on the left, in the right, at the same time. As you can see in this place, indicator blinks 3 times on the red. It means that we are right now disconnected. To power them on, just do the same and click once. As you can see right now, it blinks on the green, and after a few seconds they will turn and they will be connected back. As you can see right now, all we have to do, just make the same. So click on the right one only, okay, it looks like there's no auto connect, so we have to go here and click connect one more time, and after that we'll be connected back. So yeah, that's how we can make it. If you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe.